Hey everybody, our sweet adventurers here.
Hello.
Today we're making
Amish cheesy hamburger bake.
Yep, so we'll get at it.
All right, we have started making them already. What you got to do is you got to take 1.5 pounds of ground beef and make patties, and you're supposed to brown them on both sides. Then we put the seasonings in there, and then what happens is that there's 5 potatoes that were cut up. Husband did that, and an onion. So you put a layer of potatoes, a layer of onions, the hamburger patties on top of that, which we'll do now. I think they're pretty much, they don't need to be cooked because this does bake. It does go in the oven. So we'll do that. Once again, never made this either.
Sounds interesting.
Yeah, sounds good.
Right.
Turn that down a little bit. Put one right there. Good luck. Okay, I think we got them. All right, and then the next thing that we have to do is season this.
And probably whatever seasoning you want.
Yeah, you can do what you want. I'm just trying to go as close to the recipe here. Because, you know, we all don't have the same spices and stuff in our little pantries.
So. Himalayan salt we use there. So
a few little peppercorns. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the remaining potatoes on top.
I guess you don't have to layer this.
You don't.
You don't have to, but might as well try it.
Yeah, that's what the recipe says. So I wasn't going to at first, but then we discussed it and said, yeah, might as well.
Yeah.
Kind of trying to go by the recipe.
Okay.
Maybe even like that a little bit. Okay, now I am going to get, oh, that's
get
hot.
Burnt.
I'm going to get burnt. I'm going to go.
She said that's kind of hot. And yes, I'm leaving that in there.
Whew. That did not feel very well. So what I got to do is I need to have 1 cup of milk. Okay. And then I need, this is a 4th, right? 4th cup?
4th cup of flour.
And I'm going to put it in this skillet here.
And you leave whatever grease was in there.
Yes. Yep.
Not much.
No, there isn't. But that's what makes it good, that all that, getting that in there. I think I might have to grab a pot holder so I can.
I think you might. Let me get that one for you here.
That'd be great, thank you. Because I'm going to lift her up and try to get it down in there.
You know, the grease in the old recipes, you know, and you always remember fried chicken and all the old, how good it tastes. I I think a lot of that was the grease, you know.
Okay, it's not real smooth, but I've got to put some liquid in there because there wasn't much fat.
No.
So we just gotta have to stir it up a little bit quicker. Add it a little bit at a time.
Yeah.
Might work better with a spoon too. There we go. It'll be right. All right. So let me get this stirred up and we'll get back to you. All right, we have put it all together. We got the roux or whatever you want to call it, gravy over the top, and we added a little bit of cheese. What you do then is put it in the oven for 40 minutes at 375 degrees, and you're supposed to cover it with aluminum foil. And then after the 40 minutes, we're gonna add more cheese because we love cheese. And
Okay, well, it is done. Smells good, looks good. Look at that.
I'm sure it's going to taste good.
I think it is. So we're going to check it out. Okay, so it is done. Looks and smells good, real good.
So we got a potato, the cheese, and the onion, and a bite of the hamburger.
Yep.
Here we go.
Here we go. Okay. Pretty good.
Yes, it is.
And on a plate, you know, we have it. There's some juice in there we can pour over it too. Pretty good. And this was called, put you on the spot,
Yes, you did.
Amish
Cheesy Amish
hamburger steak.
hamburger bake.
Yeah,
Cheesy Amish hamburger bake.
there
Yep.
it is. Yeah.
There it is.
And
we'll put the
recipe in
the video.
So yeah, so we always rate them 1 to 5. I'm gonna go 4 on this. It's pretty good.
That's my number as well.
That's it?
Yeah, it is good.
Yeah.
It is
So,
good.
This will be our dinner tonight. So all right. Okay.
Kind of hungry.
Yeah, them too. So I guess.
All right. So just remember to let us know where you're watching from.
Yeah.
And like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and
Yep, all the good stuff there.
yep.
And we will see you next time.
All right. Bye.
Bye.